What's up, YouTubers? Today I'm going to do something I rarely do, and that is an unboxing. There's a particular reason for this. Why don't I do face forward videos? Oh, because my dad said that I have a face for radio, and my wife says that I have a voice for still photography. Not necessarily, actually. It's just one of those things where I don't have a setup. I have to literally go outside of every place in the house, the basement, and set up, and I just don't like doing that primarily. So this has been one of the few times you actually see face forward, but I just want to talk about this really quickly, kind of the background, and then I'll actually move to normal layout. But this is actually a drop ship from Everyday Minimalist. That's Brandon on YouTube. I'll go ahead and link him below, and truly respect his channel. He's definitely an artist in terms of his production quality, how much attention to detail he does to everything from lighting, quality, and sound, everything. Editing. The editing is amazing. Him and probably Ray from Everyday City Carrier are the two that I most respect in terms of like unboxing sort of videos. I don't have a big ass pain with unboxings. It's just primarily not my thing because I don't want to sit there for 5 minutes and have this big old build up to, oh my God, this is amazing. Wait till you see this. You've never seen anything like this before. It's just not my jam. It doesn't mean that it's a bad thing. It's just not something I enjoy so much. But this particular unboxing does have a story. I'll tell a brief story about it and then I'll actually shoot the top down for the unboxing. I've been sitting on this for about a week now. This came, the dropship, again, from Everyday Minimalist. But it was a giveaway of his that one of my viewers won. His name is Costa. He's actually in Serbia. And peace, Costa. Thank you for doing that. It was so that Everyday Minimalist wouldn't have to send us to Serbia. He said, hey, I know somebody that I'd like to actually just kind of cross give that to. So thank you very much for that giveaway. And I will... like I said, I'll go ahead and try to do this in best edited fashion so that for those people that don't dig super long unboxings like myself, it's just, so thanks again to Costa for giving me this. Thanks again to Brandon for shipping it my way, and we'll see what's in here. So here's what I will say. If you've ever seen Brandon's channel, you know that his giveaways are pretty serious. Let's take a look. At present, I'm carrying the Kunwu Padre. Let's see what we got in here. Whoa, this is going to be a Chavez. Oh my gosh. Holy crud. Daily Customs. We'll take a look at each of these. Some sort of a... Gosh, I don't even know what all these are. Raylight Dawn type. Whoa. Holy crud. I'll rip through each of these individually. Okay, first we have an Urban EDC supply. This looks like a Frankenworks lanyard bead. Whoa. It's gorgeous. It's got the Segia pattern there. Specific to Urban EDC. Very cool. Okay, next we have Griffin Co. Not sure what this is. This is Keith Griffin, owner and operator. I still don't know what these are. Pardon my ignorance, but... Oh, wow. Is this a fidget device? Oh my gosh. This is a fidget device. A very well-made one. A very well-made fidget device. Holy crud, look at the patterning on that. This is, I assume, just a spinner. I don't know if this will be very cool. Refine, R-E-F-Y-N-E. Polished tie? No way. Is this a pen? Oh my... Holy crap. A bolt action pen, titanium? Oh man. This is going to drive the wife crazy. And I have to admit, I do not know what the Raylight Dawn is. It's impossible with the modern golden age of knife making to know what every single model is. Oh, this is not a knife. Holy moly. What a flashlight is this? Okay, I'm probably going to have to do some battery action. Yep. Wow. I'm not sure if this is titanium. Let's find out. It's definitely not steel. So, very, very cool. Holy crap. We'll take a closer look at that, definitely. Daily Customs? Let's take a look. Again, I don't know what some of this stuff is. Oh, holy crap. It's basically a Swiss Army knife. equivalent. Very nice. Holy crap. I definitely have my fair share of Swiss Armies. This could be a regift on my channel. Thank you. Daily Customs. Holy crap. I have watched this on Brandon's channel. This is the kickstop version of the Ultramar Redemption 229. Oh my gosh. This is insane. I already have a Redemption 229. Absolutely love this knife. It's the only reason I did not buy the kickstop. But holy crap. This is absolutely ridiculous. Oh man. Oh my gosh. I can't tell you how humbled I am. I think I get it now. I am truly humbled by this. Thank you so much, Costa. Peace all the way over in Serbia. Truly appreciate this. The Chavez Ultramar Redemption, a Raylight titanium flashlight. We have a Frankenworks Creations lanyard bead. There's a Griffin and Company. This is just, I mean, this is incredible. I took this apart. No, don't jump ahead. I will be doing reviews of this stuff. Fidgeting device, though, very cool. Array refined titanium pen and an aluminum customized Swiss Army knife. I don't know what else to say. I truly, truly appreciate this. I won't, dilly-dally any longer. If you find this sort of stuff interesting, like I said, I generally don't do unboxings and that sort of thing. This was a special case, but I do appreciate the like and subscribe for my channel if you have a chance. Have a great weekend. Take care, everybody. I'm going to actually kind of honor Brandon in this particular case, and never mind. That'll be an outtake. Hi, honey. I will put that at the end of the video. In any case.